So students, today we are with a new topic, closet drama. What is closet drama? As the word is suggesting, closet that is room. Closet drama, in a simple language we can understand these kinds of drama as a drama that can be studied within a room, that can be read very easily within our room sitting on your bed. So it is a play that is written for reading alone. Means our writer, when he writes these kinds of dramas, he also intends to be performed on the stage. But in reality, these kinds of drama can never be performed on the stage because of absence of action or because of less action, or they are just they have a lot of poetic elements, and this is the reason that they can be read only and they cannot be performed. It is a play that is written for reading alone and not to be performed on a stage, because a drama should be acted on a stage, and if it is not being performed, if it is not being acted on a stage, then that drama is not a drama. There is dialogue also, there are characterization also, there are all the elements of drama, but the main problem with these kinds of drama is only that why we call closet drama, that because of lack of action or less action or absence of action, they can not be performed on the stage. So closet drama is a literary composition written in the form of a play, but it is regarded, it is known as a dramatic poem, but it suits only for reading in a closet. It is a form of drama based on dialogue, right? It is also a form of drama and it is also based on dialogue, but what kind of dialogues? That is read like a play but cannot be performed as play on stage, and that is the reason that we say closet drama. It was popular in the early 19th century. There is high thinking, there is philosophic and rhetoric ideas also, but less dramatic techniques and less action. And because of less action, because of less dramatic techniques, there is a problem to be performed on the stage. In brief, we can say that closet drama is a private study, and Friedrich von Schlegel is supposed to be the father of closet drama. So in brief, according to the dictionary, what the dictionary says about closet drama? Closet drama is a play written to be read rather than to be performed. It is such a play which written for the theatre. Okay, it is supposed to be performed on the stage, and the main purpose of a dramatist is also to write such dramas only for the theatre, has been accepted as a dramatic poem, but they are generally accepted only as a dramatic poem. Why? Because lack of action or less action, and because less of dramatic techniques, they are regarded, they have been accepted not drama but a closet drama or a dramatic poem, and the best example is here P.B. Shelley's The Cenci.